the breakout box with arrow indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is created on the chart, it begins to identify and display range areas on the price chart. The breakout box with arrow indicator is a special and practical tool that displays price range areas and issues breakout signals for us if the range areas are broken. For example, in this section, a range area has been identified for us, and, with the breakout of the range area, an upward breakout signal has been issued. And in this section, with the breakout of the range area downward, a downward breakout signal is displayed. In the settings section, under the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can determine the number of candles for identifying and calculating range areas, and issuing breakout signals, which is set to 2,000 candles by default. In the next section, we can determine the height of the range box, which is set to 150 pipettes by default. This calculates from the bottom of the box to the top of the box for us, and we can change this section based on the time frame we choose. In the next section, we can set the maximum number of candles inside each box, which is set to 15 candles by default. Next, there is the shift option, which we can consider as a confirmation for breaking the top or bottom of the box, and choose it for confirming the trend breakout direction. This is set to 0 by default. For example, here, with the breakout of the box's upper range, a breakout signal has been issued for us. If we set this number to 1 or more, it waits for 1 or more candles after the breakout, and after the number of candles we have set here passes, it then issues the signal for us. In the next section, there is the box color, which we can change to the desired color here. In the following section, there is the box style, where we can choose from solid, dash, dot, dash, dot, dash, dot, dot in this section, and finally we can determine the size of the drawn lines for the top and bottom of the box from this section. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.